Okay, today we're going to learn about reflection. Reflection is when an object is flipped. It's like when we look at ourselves in a mirror. Okay, so the object won't change in size or shape. The line of reflection is like where we place the mirror, but its reflection is like looking ourselves like in a mirror or just flipping the object. Let's see some examples. Like here, if we flip like this one, the reflection will be over the x-axis, and we flip like the mountain, the trees, everything is flipped. So the algebraic rule will be x comma y changing to x comma negative y, which means the y values are gonna change in sign. So if the y values are positive, now they will be negative. If the y values are negative, now they will be positive. This negative sign means that we're flipping or changing the sign in the y because the reflection is over the x-axis. If the reflection is over the y-axis, like this example, then the rule will be x comma y. Now that since it's over the y-axis, now the one that I'm flipping is the x. So if the x is positive, now it will be negative. If the x is negative, now the x will be positive and the y stays the same. Now, let's see this example. We got this picture. This is the pre-image because of the letters, and this will be the new image because of the primes, same letters with the prime. Now, if we are going to reflect it over the x-axis, this is the like the mirror, the line of reflection, then it's going to end up here. We're reflecting. To make sure we did it right, we reflected right, we just need to make sure they got the same distance over the same distance to the line of reflections. So if every point has the same distance to the line of reflections, then we did it right. And when we compare the coordinates, we can see the only one that is changing the sign will be the y because it's reflecting over the x-axis. So my rule will be x comma y changing to x comma negative y. Let's see one example with over the y-axis. We got this one. So if we're gonna flip it over the y-axis, that will be my line of reflection. So this is my rule, which means the x values will be changing and the y will stay the same. So make sure the distance is the same to the line of reflection. So the rule will be x comma y changing to negative x comma y. When it's over the y-axis, the x is the one that is changing. When it's over the x-axis, the y is the one that is changing.